Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today this video is 3-in-1 video of how to make 3 different dino morphers from Dino Charge, Dino Thunder and Dino Fury of 2 Red Ranger and 1 Gold Ranger. Humble request for my viewers to like and share this video. Dino Chargers, engage, fire, unleash the power. Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how to make Power Ranger Terra Morpher of Gold Ranger from Power Ranger Dino Charge. Take a cardboard and cut out 2 rectangles of it, then draw a curve at the end of the cardboard and cut it out as shown. Notice that both the cardboard should be of the same size. Now take a cardboard strip of 2 cm and stick it with tape on the edges of the cardboard as shown. Then attach the 2 rectangular shapes together. Now again cut out a rectangle, then draw like this and cut it out. As you can see here, I have covered this whole thing with tape. I have covered it with a lot of tape so that it should provide hardness and it becomes the base of the morpher and there should be no leaks between it. Now place the previous cutout part and do marking of it by adjusting it up and down. Now to make the teeth of the Terramorpher, draw like this slope with teeth on it, then make another copy of it. It becomes the lower jaw and the teeth of the Terramorpher. Now to make the pterodactyl above part and above teeth, draw like this on a cardboard and cut it out and make another copy of it. If you want, you can paste it behind the upper jaw like this, or you can ignore it as it looks better with it also. As you can see that here I have pasted the lower jaw and the teeth behind it. Now I will be pasting it on the edges of the previous cutout rectangle shape, which will the base of the Terramorpher or pterodactyl. Sorry. You can see that here it is looking like a boat. Leftover part I have bent it behind it with tape. Now take the pterodactyl 2 pieces, then paste it or stick cardboard and fill the gaps of it shown in the video. Now to make the handle, draw like this on a cardboard and cut 3 pieces of it or make 3 more copy of it, then paste it with the tape. Take the base of the morpher and stick it with tape as shown in the video. To make the side wing of the Terra Charger, draw like this on a cardboard and cut it out. Here you can see that I have bended the cardboard and pasted all the leftover gaps, and by that it completed my Terramorpher head. Now take the cardboard and roll it half only and paste it at the base of the boat like part. Then by leaving some space from behind also. Once you finish pasting the handle, take a cardboard and cut out rectangles and paste it at the center of the handle part as shown in the video. Now take a cardboard of 11 cm and roll it as shown in the video. Make 2 rolls and place it on the base of the morpher and check it whether it is of same size or not. Now cover the back side of the semicircle part in which the Dino Charger is to be loaded by cutting out a semicircle. And to make it possible for passing a stick through it, make holes on upper and lower jaw and pass a small bamboo stick on it and stick it with super glue. Then also attach the upper part of the pterodactyl. Here the face of the pterodactyl has been made. You can see that it can move up and down and it can open also. The rotating part helps in the movement of the upper and the lower jaw. It was the main part of the morpher and it is completed. And once it is completed, place it on the base of the morpher and check it whether it is of fits completely or not. Now take the wing part and make holes in it and place a bamboo stick across it of 2.5 cm like this. After placing, cut it out. Here I have placed long stick and cut it out. You can place of 2 or 1.5 cm or 2.5 cm because the movement should be free between them. Otherwise in the future the movement will not be free between the wings and the morpher, and if you want you can make like this part also. So Simply drawing and placing it at the back side of the. Now by referring the original morpher to add more details to the morpher, draw like this part and paste it on the both side of the rolls. Now take a small cardboard and bend it together and transform it into a square or a rectangle and paste it on the sides of the base of the morpher as shown in the video. Now paste the bigger rolls on the side of the base, then paste the pterodactyl face on the base of the morpher and stick it with the tape one by one after marking it with a pencil. You can notice that I have increased one side height for the roll so that the rotating gimmick for the wing should be placed easily. Now cut out a strip of a white chart paper and paste it to the one side of the wing and fold it through the cylindrical roll part and paste it on the other side. This will help you making the rotating gimmick for the wing. Then place it on the morpher base where the height was increased before so that the rotation of the wing should be freely. As you can see that whole morpher is completed and smaller details is left. In the further video we will be completing it. Now cut some small cardboard strips and by this we will be making the pterodactyl eye. Place it on the pterodactyl face one by one on the both the sides by referring to the original image of the morpher of the pterodactyl face. Take a white chart and paste on the alternate side the velcro. The size of the chart should be of your wrist. This method have been shown from me in my previous past morpher videos also. If you have confusion, you can see my previous morpher videos. See that all parts of the morpher have been made, and if you want you can add the squares on the sides of the handle to make it more attractive. And the video on how to make dino charger is available. If you want you can see it. Now cover the whole morpher with white paper to provide thickness. As you can see that it is looking very beautiful in this also. If you want you can paint it or you can leave it or play it with it like this only. Paint down handle part with the blue color or you can use any dark blue color also. I am using the color which is shown in the morpher toys. Color is slightly different from the one which is shown in the series. Now do the perfect marking with the pencil of eye and somewhat some touches. Then paint the above part with the black color as shown in the video respectively. After that paint it with silver and do detailing with black marker. You can notice that there was lot of hard work and effort put by me by making for this video and according to my information this is the first video on how to make Power Ranger Dino Charge Morpher of Gold Ranger from cardboard, and if it's not please leave a comment in a comment section. Here the paint of the gold has been finished of the pterodactyl and on the wings. Now paint the leftover part by silver color. Now moving on by painting the eye with red and black color. Then do some detailing with black marker by referring to the original morpher image, and therefore your morpher will be ready. And you can see that there is easily rotation of the morpher above and down, and I have also detailed the inside part of the morpher mouth in which the dino charger is to be loaded, and behind it also. So whole morpher is completed. So please share, subscribe and like to my channel, and if you want this video to be translated in Hindi, comment it below. Now dino chargers engaged, lock in, fire. Please share this video with your friend. Dino Fury key, lock in, link to morphin grid. Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how to make Power Ranger, Dino Fury and Ryu Soldier morpher. Print out an image of a morpher and trace it on a cardboard and cut it out, shown in the video. Now cut the image into 3 parts as shown in the video. The upper part of the dinosaur morpher, the lower part of the teeth and the rotating gimmick part. Trace these different cutout parts on cardboard and paste it. Recheck it by placing the images on it. Now to make the upper rotating gimmick part, draw a circle and cut it out. Then cut out a square of 3.5 or 3 centimeter and roll it and paste it with the tape. Now paste it on the upper rotating gimmick part as shown in the video. After pasting, check it whether it fit in the circle or not. Then paste a small circle at the down part. You can see that it is easily and freely moving and gives a long life. Take a strip of 2.5 centimeter and paste it on the border, the upper part on the down part and paste it with the tape. Make a rectangular cut on top left side of the morpher. Then take a chart or a cardboard strip and check it by placing it on your wrist. Then staple it with the velcro. Then attach it to the basement of the morpher. A whole morpher with white paper. Then color the morpher with black color at the bottom and the top half part of the morpher. Mouth leaving the teeth of the morpher. Image of a key. Place it on a cardboard and trace it out and color it with red color. As you can see that the key is fitted on the cutted top left part, rotating part with silver color, which is also the night visor of the morpher. Now further color the left out part of the dinosaur head with red color. Then carefully color the teeth with white color. Paste the printout images on the morpher, or else you can simply draw by referring the original morpher with black marker or sketches. I have pasted the images so that it should look like a real morpher. Reusal change. You so cool. Knight of Velar, Reusal Red or Tricera Fury Red Ranger. Print an image of a Power Ranger Dino Thunder morpher, paste it on a cardboard and cut it out. After tracing it, also make another copy of it so that one is for the top and other is for the bottom, and the gap between these both will be covered by a strip of 2 centimeter. And make sure that the pieces should be cut out smoothly with a cutter or with the help of scissor. Give a morpher 3D look, draw these parts on a cardboard and cut it out, then paste it on the top of the morpher. Now take a strip of 2 centimeter width and stick it with tape as shown in the video. You can also paste it, fold it somewhat so it can easily bend, then paste it as shown in the video. Paste it or stick it with tape tightly that it should never come out in future. Now again take the morpher printout image and cut out the part by separating the head with the teeth part, then following with the buttons and the 3D shapes, all 3D shapes, etc. All these parts should be cut out carefully and then trace this all on cardboard and cut it out. Take the traced cutout teeth part, then take a toothpick and cut it off 2 centimeter. Then paste it with a hot glue or a normal glue in the cardboard like this. If you are facing difficulty while poking it in a cardboard, then take any sharp object, make a hole, then paste it with a hot glue gun. You can use any super glue also. Directly don't paste it on a morpher. First check it by placing it on a morpher whether the rotating gimmick is moving or not. Then make a mark by a pen, then insert it and paste it. After this, paste out the left out parts on the morpher and it will be look somewhat like this. You can see that the 3D look is looking very beautiful and it is also giving a great morpher look like a real toy. And you can see here the jaw movement is also good and it is fitted in the same design. Notice that here also the tape should be stick properly so that it should not lose its gripping. I have used super glue for this gimmick movement of the down jaw. part of the T-Rex. Now take a white strip, staple velcro on both the sides and place it on a hand and check whether it is of your hand perfect size or not. Refer any watch size also for this strip. Then stick it with the tape at the bottom of the morpher that you can wear it on your hand. If you are making for your brother, then first take his measurement, then make this strip, then paste it to the bottom of the morpher. Now after pasting, let's just try whether it fits perfectly on my hand or not. Now you can see that this morpher perfectly fits on my hand and it's look amazing. Now cover the whole morpher with white paper to make it tough and give a strength to the morpher. For covering it with white paper, first design like this by referring to original printout images and simply paste it. I will meet you after covering it with white paper or newspaper. You can use newspaper instead of it. Now as you can see that whole the morpher is covered. It look amazing also. Paint the strip and the bottom of the part and the respective parts with black color as shown in the video. Refer original morpher while painting it. Leaving the red button, the other buttons, the lower jaw and the design teeth should be colored with silver color. You can also use any acrylic, shiny or oil silver color paint for painting this. Now after this, paint the head and the left out button with the red color as shown in the video. Once the painting part is over, leave it for dry. Here you have two ways. You can leave it simply like this just by drawing it details, or else you can paste the printout images like this as shown in the video, or you can use it without pasting just by simply drawing the parts or by referring the original morpher. I have tried in both the ways and it's look awesome. Therefore your morpher is ready, and many of them was commenting that whether it work or not. Make it like this and try it whether you morph or not. Then comment me in the comment box whether you become a Power Ranger or not. Ready? Dino Thunder, power up.